Hello, I'm a mess. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, my hair looks like a disaster and it won't work with me at all. So, with that being said, I'm gonna learn how to put my hair in a scarf because I've always wondered how to do that. So, I have a cute scarf from my grandma's closet. I am incapable of a lot of things, so this probably will be one of them. So enjoy me fail miserably, most likely, but maybe I won't, and then it'll be a great day because, yeah.
Look, you're going to need a large square scarf and you're going to fold it with diagonal points.
I'm ready.
Meeting.
Okay.
You're going to have
oh
the
no, she's going fast.
At the front of your face with the two opposite sides pointing
Does it look
shoulder.
right?
Using the sides of the scarf
Slow
on
down.
the left and right side, knot them over each other over the front flap.
How does she do it so effortlessly? Okay. Does that look like it? I don't know, because I can't see. Okay. Wrapping it over. We are already failing. Did I shave my armpits today? I did! Oh no, the hairs underneath. Okay, get under there. Okay, it's tight. Okay, next.
Flopping on either side of it.
Okay, so
then,
she like...
pulling the side ends forward,
No!
pointed flap.
Stop! Does it look okay? I look bald. Okay, what did she say?
Back. You're going to catch the pointed flap by twisting the side ends and pulling.
Okay, twisting the sides in. How? What? Oh no. We're confused.
And backward.
Wait! Okay, I think that she like did this or something. I don't know. I really wasn't paying attention. Okay, and then she like twists it, I think, in. So like you're like, okay, here's this piece. Here's that piece, right? Okay. So you lay that there, and then we're gonna bring this piece that way. Oh gosh. Okay. Throw that up in there like that. Then I'm gonna start braiding. That's what's gonna happen. I don't think this is what I'm supposed to be doing at all. It's fine. Then we put this over that. Then we bring this into here. Then we wrap this like that. Then we go over. Oh no, now we have these flappers. Oh no!
Simply secure it in the nape of your neck for a snug fit.
But it's all the way down there.
Lastly, tuck in.
I don't have enough material.
Unnecessary shape.
I'm gonna try this again. On our own. I'm not gonna bring this as far down, so then possibly I'll have more material to work with. I'm gonna get irritated. Okay. Ooh, that's a pretty scarf. This is not any bigger, and it's silk, so it's gonna be harder to work with. But it's prettier. More pretty? Oh snap! Who's cool now? Now we're just... Nope, okay. It's okay. Okay, no worries. No worries. What if we like go underneath like so? Okay. And then just like... Now what? I don't know. I'm just thrilled. They kind of look weird though. Should I try it with the other scarf again? We're just gonna go for it. Like, I don't need instructions to do stuff like this. It's in. It's up. We're going for it. Okay. Now what? I don't know. No. Nope. Nope. It's okay. We're not gonna stress. I'm stressing, but we're not gonna stress. Okay, we loop that over, then we loop that over. Okay, then we loop, it's not that hard. You know, my mom always said this really wise thing. I don't know if it applies to this, but she always said, try again. And I think she's correct. You should always try again, even if you suck at something. And people say that you're gonna fail over and over again. Look at these muscles. That's not gonna work either. I didn't know scalp protection was a thing. Oh, my boss wants me to come in. Oh no.
Now we're just going to tuck the hanging bit.
Go. Okay. We gotta do this real fast. Okay. Here we go. I'll be there as soon as possible. That's gonna be about 20 minutes or maybe 30. We're gonna do this. Oh no, I need to change shirts. I'll be right back. I didn't change shirts, I just put a bra on and changed a shirt. We're gonna come around, tuck that in. I don't know what we're tucking in, but we're tucking something in. Okay. Nope. Now what? I'm not entirely sure. Okay, you know what? We're gonna braid. Because it's 2018, 19, and I feel like braids are gonna come back. Way to go, Haley. You're giving me a time limit, and I don't know what that time limit is, and I'm stressing out. I just wanted to do this because I thought it would be cute, and my hair has to be up for work. I'm in pain. I have another option. A bobby.
And in this very moment, Rylee Louisa Prenatt realized something that would change the game. FOREVERRRRRRRRRR.
What do we think? It's definitely not like good, but like it's definitely not the worst thing I've ever seen. And you can see that bobby pin, but like I'm not even mad about it. I did it and it's done and I have to go to work. So like it's fine because it's me, because I'm not a perfectionist. I don't really care. But that's that. Okay. Peace out. I love you guys. Yeah. Bye. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, bye.